Студио представя Минало свършено време на български език. When to use past tense. We use this tense to talk about series of events that have started and finished in the past. We use it in combination with a time expression, such as вчера гледах филм, след това си легнах. How to form it. The past simple tense in Bulgarian is formed by using the completed aspect of the verb and a past conjugation that is quite similar to the one in the present tense with the addition of a distinctive h sound in it. How many conjugation groups does it have? The past simple tense has got 6 conjugation groups, but do not fear. 3 of them are quite small, and you can approach learning the verbs in them as exceptions rather than proper conjugation groups. This is the first one, ах, which is one of the biggest groups. In it, the verbs end in am, na, aya, and bera. Да стана, станах. Да легна, легнах. Да седна, седнах. Да тръгна, тръгнах. Да играя, играх. Да мечтая, мечтах. Да опитам, опитах. Да гледам, гледах. Да карам, карах. Да пътувам, пътувах. Да избера, избрах. Да разбера, разбрах. Notice how the e falls. Прибера, прибрах. Ich група is one of the biggest groups as well, and verbs usually end in a consonant ya, cha, sha, and iya, like this. Да работя, работих. Да ходя, ходих. Да правя, правих. Да уча, учих. Да се кача, качих се. Да отключа, отключих. Да свърша, свърших. Да завърша, завърших. Да пия, пих. Да мия, мих. Ох група. Verbs end in ida, dam, за and чета. Да отида, отидох. Да дойда, дойдох. Да дам, дадох. Да продам, продадох. Да вляза, влязох. Да изляза, излязох. Да чета, четох. An exception, да ям, ядох. Ях група is really small in that you can find verbs that end in ям and ея. Да живея, живях. Да вечерям, вечерях. Да видя, видях. This is an important exception. Ех група. Verbs end in ма. Да взема, взех. Да приема, приех. And finally, the група, where you have verbs ending in уя. Да чуя, чух. Да обуя, обух. How to practice? We use this tense to tell stories. One of the great ways to practice is to try to tell some of your own personal stories or keep a diary. You can ask a friend or use a translation app to help you create your text and then read through it and see how the tense is being used. You can later try to retell the story in order to practice using it in a conversation. Bear in mind that when we talk about the past, usually we would use a number of past tenses to express our thoughts. Try to use simple sentence at first in order to see how it properly works. Благодарим ви за гледането. Студио.